Okay guys, so this is my backpack. I had it from last year, but I really love it. It's from Vera Bradley. It's super cute. Anyways, I'm going to be showing you some of the school supplies I have. Well, not school supplies, locker supplies. Now I'll be showing you my school supplies. Okay. First we have this thing. It's a magnet. It holds on your locker. You can put pens, pencils in. These are cute little pom-pom magnets. They're super cute. We have white, gray, and baby blush. Well, blush pink. Okay. Next, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. I go overboard. So this is like a table that you put in your locker to hold stuff, like at the bottom of your locker. Keep stuff. Up there, it is very annoying. It like breaks. This used to be my sister's, so that used to be my almost all my school supplies used to be my sister's stuff. Well, not school supplies. Why do I keep on saying that? Locker supplies. Oh my gosh! See what I said? It's like broken. It is broken. Oh, jeez. Just had to put out one. Could have told me. Okay. We have this furry rug to put on the top of the level, like there's a little top part to put your stuff at. So I'll be putting that right there. And then, one of these used to be my sister's and one of them was mine. Then I'll put one on, like, under. So this is a table, like I said. There's a space to put stuff underneath it, too. So I'm going to put the rug underneath it. So I have two rugs, so it makes it perfect. We have this little container I got from the dollar section at Target. It's for like to put makeup stuff, but I'm gonna use it for like pencils, school supplies, erasers, sticky notes, stuff like that. Okay, now we have these little magnets. One's a popsicle to hold like my pictures and stuff, and one's an ice cream cone. I got some books just in case. This used to be a mirror. Hi, you can see the camera. Oh my gosh, I'm flattered. Anyways, though, I just painted it with paint markers. I thought it looked cute. Okay, this one's super cute. So I made this today, a little thing. My sister started it, and then I connected it to this picture of me and my cousin. Shout out to you. Yeah, they can't really see it, can they? There we go. That one's Macklin by me right here. And this one's Mari. So, yes, they're my besties. So, gotta put them in my locker. Just hanging in there. And then I'll probably put like a magnet because I have these circle magnets. Like this one's a gymnast. And you literally, it's like the perfect fit. Look. It's like the perfect fit. And then, oh, they can't even see, Bella. What are you doing? It's like the perfect fit. So, yeah. Okay, and then we have this, my cousin Mari made this for me when we were really little. And it has FF. It's like a clay thing she painted, and it means friends forever. So I'm going to put that in my locker as a memory of her. I like nothing like that in my locker. It wasn't cute last year, so, okay. Then I have this clipboard magnet, and it has a picture of me cheerleading when I was little. This is a magnet too, is when I was really little, and we did these little pictures, and I had my favorite stuff. It's a magnet, can't really tell. And then we have this picture of my dog, and then this picture of me and my dog before my recital. This is a magnet I guess my sister made. It's like a magnet on the back, and it says, "Be bold, be brave, be beautiful." Like beautiful, beautiful. I don't know. Okay, is that it? Yeah, that's it for my locker stuff. Now I'm going to show you my school supplies, and then I'll resume the next day, and we'll go to the open house tomorrow, and I'll give you a little tour of my locker. So, it's the next day. I want to go to the place. But anyways, I'm so tired. And I have a big window, so my curtains don't block anything because they're see-through. So whenever I wake up, the sun blares into my room, so it wakes me up very easily. See what I mean? It's not as bad on camera, but like you can see the sun blaring in. Okay guys, so I'm gonna take a shower real quick. I look disgusted right now because I just woke up. My hair is not brushed through. It's puffy. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my hair, but it's probably just gonna be wet at the start when I'm changed. So I'm going to change and shower real quick. Hey guys, so I just got out of the shower. This is my fit check today. Just shorts like this, you can't really see them. And I got these glasses on. These are super cute. And I got this brown top. It's actually like a sports bra underneath it. So, I don't know, it's way better than most ones. But yeah, I really like my outfit today. So, I got these. I don't know where I got these. These are hand-me-downs from my sister. But I also had the same ones and they just shrunk. So, I'm using my sister's. And this top is from Old Navy. It's like in the women's section. I just got extra small or something like that, so it could fit me. But yeah, this is what I'm wearing to the thingy. And yeah, I got this cute little bracelet. I got it from, where did I get this from? Kohl's. Pretty cute. This butterfly always switches. I like won't stay in the right spot. But yeah, I got some butterflies. Like the wings are even coming out like it's 3D. It's pink. I like the pink color. So yeah, I got this one from Kohl's, and I got this one from Kohl's. It's a little cute sea turtle. So I don't know if I want to wait which one I want to wear. I might just wear both because both are really cute. Or I'll wear this gray one that my sister, that I gave to my sister because I didn't want it. I can wear all of them if I wanted to, or I might just go with the butterfly theme because that's a gray one that has a butterfly in it. But yeah, so I'm going to brush my teeth real quick, and yeah. Okay. Okay guys, so I didn't vlog any of it because that would be kind of awkward, you know. But, oh, I didn't show you. Did I show you my new hair? Isn't that cute? Anyways, though, it was pretty fun going there to meet my teachers. All my teachers seemed nice, so that's pretty good. I'm kind of excited for school, to make new school videos, like my morning routine, going to school for the first day, like my first day of school, how it went, vlogging the rest of the day, not like at school, but yeah, I'm super excited. One of my best friends, Annika, is in my class, which is amazing. I'm super excited because she's in my class. She's my only friend pretty much in my whole entire neighborhood. Like, I know other people, but they aren't my friends. So most of the other kids in my class are jerks or weirdos. I'm just gonna say that. So, like, Annika's my true actual friend in my neighborhood, so I'm lucky she's in my class. I was glad none of the people I hate were in my class because I saw a few of them there, and I was like, oh shoot. But luckily I saw the one person that I hate, and she wasn't in my class, so that's pretty good. But anyways, yeah, so that was actually great. I don't know if you guys saw this either. Wearing some jeans, baby. Wait, yeah, you did. You did. But yeah, we're going to go to a restaurant. So I think I'm going to change out of jeans, keep this on, put like a zip-up sweatshirt on, probably if it's cold, and wear some joggers. Wait, no, why would I wear joggers? I mean, it's hot out. I probably am just going to wear like comfy pajama shorts. But yeah, let me do the transition. Okay, guys, so I changed into these shorts. They have palm trees on them. They're super cute. And then I'm wearing my boyfriend socks. I'm just kidding. That's the bird, guys. I don't actually have a boyfriend. If I did, I would have told you. So, yeah. So I really like these bottoms. They're super cute. Comfy, comfy, comfy. I really like my hair today. But yeah, that's all I have for you guys today. I'm just kidding. I'm not ending the vlog. I'm just saying, like, that's all I got for you guys to clip. I'm probably just going to be watching some YouTube on my desk because my brother gave me some rainbow speakers that work, like, high quality, so good. So I'm probably going to watch YouTube with those. They're literally so pretty. Let me show you. Like, look at that. Those rainbow speakers are vibing. I am watching a lot of just, I don't know, videos, like routines of going to school, college stuff. So that's what makes me want to do school stuff, like my morning routine. I'm going to do a first day of school video, like I said. So yeah, stay tuned for that. We're going to go to Orange Leaf on the first day of school. It's like a tradition to go on the last day of school to Orange Leaf. Well, like get ice cream, or on the first. So, well, both. So, yeah, I'm going to go to Orange Leaf on the first day of school for my video, so that's pretty exciting.